Maya, a poem for every child of now. She marked my forehead with her fairy dust and brought me magic stones. And oh, that smile just pulled me back again into most dazzling vortex of creation, the inner chamber of my own heart. She knows, I know, one is the center of everything and one is free in every direction. She thrives to hear me shout out into the world. One must cultivate deep reverence for a child's presence, and then the being called child comes forth as a breathtaking force of brilliance and delight. So please cultivate reverence for every child's presence. Fall in love with their silent teachings of light and love. She also knows I often grow quiet after our playtime together, so all the wisdom we have shared can seep through ourselves into the new earth.